Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel an order on the Skullcandy website. First, open the Skullcandy website and log in to your account. Scroll down and click Contact Us. Then at the top, click Support. Select Order Status to check the status of your order. If your order has not been dispatched, you can proceed with cancellation. Contact Skull Candy support by emailing them or using the contact options provided on the website. Provide your order number and request to cancel the order. And that's it. That's how to cancel an order on the Skull Candy website. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.